Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the NAPLAN trial. So if you use the link that I've sent you, you can click on standard test. The E7 and the 8 and the E9 trial is basically the same. Um, this is if you were to enter in your code, but you don't need to for this. You can just click next, and then you can say yes for the example test, and then click on test. You'll get in here a few things to kind of keep in mind. If it's like this, that means it's multiple choice. There's only one correct answer. You can know because it's a circle here. You can see there is a ruler at the top here on the right. You can use the ruler to measure an object if it's asking you to measure the length of something. There is a protractor as well to measure the size of an angle. So use those tools when necessary in the question. Otherwise, you can click on the icons again and then they will disappear. There's other types of questions. So if it's like a box like this, you need to enter in the answer. If it's something like this, again, you're entering in the answer. If you see squares like this, that means there could be more than one correct answer. So there could be all correct, there could be two correct, there could be only one correct. So you have to be careful, read every answer and make sure you've chosen all the correct answers. If you reach this point where you see the stop sign with the hand, that means you finished the non-calculator section. So if that's the case, please click no, I want to check my answers, because then you can go back and check all your answers before you move on to the non-calculator, to the calculator section. Once you move to the calculator section, you cannot go back to the non-calculator section. So you have to keep that in mind. So I might want to check question number 3. Okay, I'm happy with it. Then I can move along. And then I'm back to here. I'm happy with my answers. I can start the next section, which is the calculator section. The calculator allow section comes with a calculator that's on the corner, right top corner. Click on it and it will appear. It has the 4 operations, have a squared to the power, square root, a pi value, and brackets, and a negative sign. So you can use all of these to help you answer the questions. These type of questions are click based questions. So it says choose all the objects that are triangles. So I need to click on all the triangles without clicking on the objects that are not triangles. So be careful, you need to click on all the correct parts. They'll light up green if you've done it. Here's another one where you need to click on one of the squares. So if this is the square that gives me the right answer, then that's the one I click. This one here, you need to click, drag, and then drop. Click, drag, and then drop to fill up the empty rectangles. This one is you have to click one in each row. So this net here belongs to this 3D shape here. So when I click on this, the other ones gray out. That means I can't pick them anymore. So if I want to fix this answer, I have to untick this and then I can change my answer. So you need to choose one in each row. This one is a matching one. So if I click on the triangle, then I need to connect it to the right answer. So click, drag, and then drop for it to work. That's just a multiple choice. So when you need to enter in the answer. This one is a drop down, so you have a few choices you can make there. So I can choose either profit or loss for the first word, and then one of these values for the second. This is again click and drop. I'm not doing these correctly. I'm just showing you how to do it. Once you reach this point, you should go back and check your answers for the calculator allowed section. Once you're happy with it, you can finish. And then, are you sure you want to finish? If you haven't reviewed them, go back, click no, and review them. If you have, then yes, and you'll be done. I hope that helped you understand how to do the NAPLAN online. And thank you.